In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of Apollo.io. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to refine your skills, these steps will guide you on how to manage sequences effectively. One of the core features of Apollo.io that helps you run powerful outreach campaigns. Let's dive right into it. First, start by heading over to the Apollo homepage. This is your control center, where you can access all of the various tools the platform has to offer. Once you've logged in, your dashboard will be displayed, providing an overview of your recent activities and pending tasks. Make sure you take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's on your home screen. Next, locate the Sequences tab. The Sequences feature is vital as it allows you to create and manage automated outreach sequences. By clicking on this tab, you'll see all the sequences you've previously created or imported. Sequences are essentially a set of pre-scheduled actions like emails and calls that automate your sales process. Now, look for the three-dot drop-down next to any sequence and click on Edit. This action will allow you to modify existing sequences to better meet your current outreach strategy. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll find yourself in the Settings view of your sequence. Here, you'll see an option to click on a box. This is where you can input or modify the sequence's name. Naming your sequences descriptively is a good practice. It allows you to find and manage them more efficiently as your list of sequences grows. After entering the desired sequence name, proceed to the Update Settings button. By clicking on this, you're ensuring that all the changes you've made are saved. It's a little detail, but remembering to update settings can save you from having to redo your work. Next, let's click on the Editor option. In this area, you'll have the ability to add a new step to your sequence. Simply look for the Add a Step button and click on it. You can insert various types of operations such as automated emails, LinkedIn tasks, and other outreach activities. We're going to focus on adding a manual email for now. Once you've chosen to add a manual email, you'll find space to type in the subject line of your email. Crafting a captivating subject is crucial. It's often your only chance to grab the recipient's attention. Following that, click on the email body area to build the content of your email. Ensure the content is direct, engaging, and tailored to your audience for the best results. Finally, click on the Choose a Contact option, and then select the contact to whom you want to send the email. This is how you specify the recipients of your outreach. With that, you're all set to manage your sequences in Apollo, boosting your overall productivity and outreach efficiency. These steps should guide you through the core processes of using sequences in Apollo.io, streamlining your sales activities considerably. Give yourself some time to explore further and get comfortable, and soon this will become second nature. Happy emailing!